Am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so good morning to
Yes,
all
ma'am.
of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So how was your holidays? How was your Diwali? Diwali holiday? Good or bad?
अच्छा था मैम.
अच्छा था. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am. बहुत बढ़िया.
ठीक है. Okay. So let us start with the class. Okay. Actually it is PSM practicals, na? So for PSM practicals, I want to take little bit of theory. Then if I have time, then I will take little bit of practicals also. Okay. So in the last class,
Okay, ma'am.
we discussed on unit 1, that was community health, and we discussed about health, you know, the definition that was given by WHO in 1948. What was the definition? Anyone? What was the definition given by WHO about health? You can read out. Lucky Sonowal. What happened? You all don't have the notes.
मैम मैं क्लास में नहीं था मैम.
और बाकी all were absent. माने आदित्य. ओके.
हाँ मैम.
WHO का डेफिनेशन बोलो हेल्थ का.
वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. मैम वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन.
हाँ, वो डेफिनेशन दिया था ना मैंने उस दिन. नहीं लिखा.
मैम लिखा तो है पर याद नहीं है अभी.
नोटबुक में देखो.
मैम मैं ना अभी फिजिकल मेंटल एंड सोशल वेलबींग.
Okay, whatever it is, you please collect the notes. Okay, all of you. बिकॉज एग्ज़ाम के टाइम पे नोट्स सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. when you write exams you will have to know the notes, you have to write the notes because you will have to study. और ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक बुक्स मैं नहीं दे रही हूँ बिकॉज आई एम गिविंग ऑल द नोट्स. सो प्लीज़ कलेक्ट द नोट्स. इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम विद द नोट्स then you ask from your friends also. So we discussed on the health, that it is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease. और उसके बाद we discussed on ecology of health. सब लोग सबको कॉम्बाइन करके एक ग्रांड टोटल नंबर निकलेगा. अच्छा इतना परसेंटेज या फिर इतना नंबर ऑफ पीपल डाइड ऑलरेडी इन दैट ईयर. ठीक है. एंड समटाइम्स दैट रेट हम लोग को क्यों मालूम होना चाहिए? सो दैट 2019 और 2020, 19 में दैट रेट ज़्यादा था या 2020 में दैट रेट ज़्यादा था. समटाइम्स बिकॉज ऑफ हम लोग का जो हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम के वजह से भी समटाइम्स वी गेट टू सी द डेथ रेट इज़ वेरी हाई बिकॉज ऑफ पुअर हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम. ठीक है. अगर हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम कहीं पे बहुत कम है, नहीं है, फैसिलिटीज़ अच्छा नहीं है, तब भी यू विल गेट टू सी दैट द डेथ रेट इज़ इंक्रीजिंग. बट इफ़ द हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम इज़ वेरी गुड, ओके, प्रॉपर मेडिकेशंस आर गिवन, प्रॉपर नर्सेस आर देयर, तो एकदम मतलब जितना नंबर ऑफ नर्सेस, डॉक्टर्स, टेक्नीशियंस चाहिए उस पार्टिकुलर हॉस्पिटल में, क्योंकि एक इंसान 30 पेशेंट्स को नहीं देख पाएगा. सो 30 पेशेंट्स अगर तुम लोग पकड़ लो. इफ़ स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो, स्टूडेंट्स में अगर 100 स्टूडेंट्स होता है, एक टीचर सब सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं ले पाएगा. फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायो सब सब्जेक्ट्स एक टीचर नहीं ले पाएगा. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टूडेंट्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट्स, उतना क्वांटिटी ऑफ मेंबर भी चाहिए, इतना नंबर ऑफ फैकल्टीज़ भी चाहिए. तो सेम लाइक दैट हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम में भी अगर एक हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम है जहाँ पे पेशेंट्स 1000 पेशेंट्स का फॉर एग्जांपल बोल, इफ़ आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, इफ़ 1000 beds are there. In a small hospital, Pakarlo PAC, difference of 0.6 degree Celsius. So you have to know the normal values. Okay, for oral temperature, normal value is different. For rectal temperature, it is different. For axillary temperature, it is different. But you have to remember one thing, that for infants, okay, for babies under 4 years of age, okay, this rectal temperature is mainly used, okay, because if we put the thermometer inside the baby's mouth, okay, if we do oral temperature in baby's mouth, the baby might not know, and he or she might even bite the thermometer, which is very risky. Okay, so oral temperature is never used for infants, for babies. Okay, but axillary temperature and oral temperature, it can be used for adults, for us. Okay, for because we know that we should not bite these things. So yeah, we will discuss one by one. Okay, oral temperature, rectal temperature, axillary temperature, we have to discuss one by one. Okay, write down how to measure body temperature. How to measure body temperature. How to measure body temperature. Oral root. You write down oral root. ORAL, oral root, ROUT. Do you have class? You have any class?
No, ma'am.
Okay. At what time is your lunch? 12, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down how to measure body temperature. Oral root, ROUT. The first point below, you write number 1. Turn on thermometer according to package direction. Turn on thermometer. Turn on thermometer. THERMOMETER. Turn on thermometer according to package direction. Turn on thermometer according to package direction. Package, PACKAGE, package direction. Number 2, second point you write, place the tip of the thermometer. Place, PLACE, place the tip of the thermometer. THERMOMETER. Place the tip of the thermometer under UNDER, under one side of the tongue. Under one side of the tongue. TONGUE. 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Number 2 you write normal rectal temperature. Normal rectal temperature. Normal rectal temperature, write down 99.5 degree Fahrenheit. .5 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit you can write F, capital F. Okay, which is 0.6 degree Celsius, which is 0.6 99.5 degree Fahrenheit. Full stop. So these 3 points are mainly for how will you measure oral root. Okay, at a digital thermometer there is one digital thermometer which you get in pharmacies. Okay, so first what you have to do, before starting the procedure, you should always inform the patient or the individual that my name is this, okay, and I am going to take your temperature, I want to know the temperature. So I will be doing some few steps. You have to introduce yourself, otherwise sometimes ki hoy je they used to become scared, especially in hospital environment. Okay, for simple thermometer, for simple temperature checking also, they think that you are going to take some blood test and all, and the patient also gets scared. So it is always mandatory, it is always essential to always introduce yourself, and also you should tell about the procedure that you are about to do. If you are going to take a, if you are going to calculate the temperature, then you have to inform the patient so that he can cooperate with you. Okay, first thing is introduction. Second, what tomorrow you have to turn on the thermometer. If your thermometer is off, যদি বন্ধ হয়, then how will you how the temperature value will come out? So first of all you have to turn on the thermometer. In case of digital thermometer, দুটা thermometer থাকে, there are two thermometers. Okay, one is digital and the other one is glass thermometer. Glass thermometer you will mainly get to see in hospitals, especially in government hospitals. You will get to see a glass thermometer, in private also glass thermometer. Okay, that is not automatic. Digital to ki ho, it is automatic. Okay, you turn on, you put, and then it will after 1 minute, and it is you should always calculate for 1 minute, not less than 1 minute, not more than 1 minute. Second is if it is a oral route, then that it should be placed, okay, it should be placed on one side of the tongue. Below the tongue you should place the thermometer, and then you have to ask the patient to close the mouth. If the mouth is open, then it will not give us accurate value. So mouth should be closed, and also the thermometer should be placed on the tip of the thermometer should be placed at the at one side of the tongue. Okay, then third is after 1 minute, after 1 minute you have to remove the thermometer. Okay, in case of glass thermometer. But jodi if your thermometer is digital one, then automatically after 1 minute it will start beeping. You have written here na, usually a series of beep. After 1 minute directly it will it will make the sound like that. That means it has already calculated the temperature. So you can take out the thermometer slowly from the patient's mouth and you can see for yourself. Okay, and after that you can be able to judge that whether the patient is suffering from fever or not. So if the temperature is over 99.5 degree Fahrenheit, that means the person. Okay, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Meeting time over. Meeting time was over. That's why I just went. I want to complete. Okay. So what you have written, reducing the number of deaths in the population is an obvious goal of medicine and healthcare. That means, what is our main aim as health professionals, be it a nurse, a doctor, or technicians? Okay, be it DMLT, be it DRT, okay, all this radiologist technician, then optometry, dialysis, all this. Why did you even study this course? So that you can help the people, so that you can work in a healthcare setup and you can help the people. So what is the goal? The main goal is to reduce the number of death. Okay, reducing the number of death is the main goal of medicine and also the healthcare system, or the healthcare facilities. Okay, sometimes there can be success and sometimes we might even get to see failure. Okay, a doctor cannot always guarantee that a cancer patient will suffer, a cancer patient. Okay, for example, if a cancer patient is there, the doctor cannot guarantee that this patient will survive. So success or failure, it does not always depend on us, but we should always try our best to provide the best measures that we can from our side. Okay, that is the nation's commitment to better health. So this is okay, so this is crude death rate. Okay, তো এতিয়া did you buy practical copies? Theory part aru baki ase. Okay, mortality indicators, some more things are left, but I want to end up here. So for today we will discuss only till here, that is crude death rate. Okay, and next time,
Yes, ma'am.
next day we will discuss on expectation of life, then infant mortality rate, child mortality rate, all this we will discuss at we'll discuss one by one. So for now etia rakhi dia, keep your theory copies, you can keep your theory copies. And did you buy practical notebook? I asked you to purchase na, have you purchased?
No, ma'am.
Kyo? Why didn't you purchase? Where you will write now? Rough paper? Where are you going to write the practicals? I thought of taking practicals now, PSM practical, all of timer karne. Where will you write?
Rough copy.
Okay, write in rough copy, but you copy it in a practical copies. And before coming to university, you have to complete. Okay, I will check your practical copy. Practical copy jana ne which one you have to buy? I already told you na, front side rule, back side plain. Used to use na before in school days also. Zoology copy thake, practical, chemistry copies, all this you can use. So that is your practical notebook. It you can purchase it. Okay, so etia you just write down. We will start with PSM practicals. Okay, I just want to start up. To etia you write vital signs. Vital signs, VITAL. Eto underline kora. Vital signs, VITAL. Vital signs, SIGNS. Okay, vital signs means the body's vital functions is known as the vital signs. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. Okay, you write the four primary vital signs are, the four primary vital signs are, the four primary, PRIMARY, the four primary vital, VITAL, vital signs, SIGNS. Vital signs are temperature, 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 bracket you can write T, capital T, temperature, comma, pulse, 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 in bracket you write P, pulse, comma, respiratory rate, respiratory rate, RESPIRATORY, respiratory rate, 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 respiratory rate, bracketed R dot P, R dot R likha, respiratory rate, R dot R in bracket you write, and blood pressure, and blood pressure, bracketed you can write BP, blood pressure, blood pressure. Okay, so these are the vital signs: temperature, pulse, respiration, and blood pressure. So these four is known as the vital signs. These are our body's main functions that we need to know. Okay, so আমি এটা we'll discuss one by one. Full stop dia, then change the paragraph and write down a fifth vital sign is pain. A fifth vital sign, fifth, FIFTH, a fifth vital sign is pain, 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 big, okay, is pain, PAIN, pain. A fifth vital sign is pain, PAIN, pain. Or jetia, whenever I will ask you what are the vital signs, you should not tell me ulta pulta, okay, like pulse, blood pressure, temperature, tenega ulta pulta if you will tell me, it is wrong. Vital signs means it should come serial wise. Temperature first, second pulse, third will be respiration, last will be blood pressure. Okay, so it should be सीधा, it should be serial wise, so don't forget this thing. Here you write temperature लिखा and you underline it. Temperature, TEMPERATURE, temperature you write and you underline it. Write down. Temperature may be defined as the, তোমালোকৰ start হৈছে নেকি practicals? First aid, anatomy, physiology, did it start? Have you started the practicals? Huh? Oh, okay, only botany. ठीक है, so you write temperature, then you write temperature may be defined as the degree of, temperature may be defined as the degree, DEGREE, degree of heat maintained by the body. Heat, HEAT, heat maintained by the body, full stop. Temperature may be defined as the degree of heat maintained by the body, full stop. It is the balance between heat produced, PRODUCED, heat produced and heat lost from the body. Heat produced and heat lost from the body, BODY. Okay, temperature, okay, temperature it's mainly defined for fever. Jetia, whenever we have fever, okay, what happened? Our temperature increases. And whenever you see that there is hypothermia, whenever the patient or the individual feels too cold, at that time we come to know that the patient's temperature is decreasing, that is known as hypothermia. And when the temperature increases, it is known as hyperthermia. Hyperthermia is also known as fever, FEVR, jar, okay, fever. So that is the temperature. Okay, tolot you write down temperature normal level. Below you write temperature normal level. Temperature normal level, LEVEL. Tolot below you write number 1, normal oral temperature. Number 1, normal oral temperature. Oral means inside your mouth. Inside your mouth also we can take the temperature. Okay, inside the mouth also. So that is known as oral temperature, normal oral temperature. And temperature can be measured by what? What is the device, do you know, for measuring temperature? Jor hole which device do we use? Yes, very good, thermometer. Yes. So you write normal oral temperature at a dash, yeah. You write 37 degree Celsius. In bracket you write 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. 98.6 degree Fahrenheit.